Hi.
Welcome.
I have a Z06.
Hey, you want to race for pink slip?
I'll pass.
What's going on, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day today. Today, we're going to be showing you around this yellow C5 Corvette Z06, owned by one of my good friends, Cooper. Hi.
Alrighty, so this is my 2001 Corvette Z06. As you can tell by this badge right here, 2002 to 2004 model year. It actually came with a 405 horsepower badge right below this, but this only has 385, unfortunately. Coming here, tell it's very 90s GM. Looks like it's straight out of a 98 Trailblazer. Top hood right here. We have our 5.7 liter LS6. It's bone stock other than a carbon fiber intake, which you can see right there. She revs out to about 6,500 RPM. Only weighs 3,100 pounds. Hard top, no targa roof.
Wheels only for the Z06 model?
Yes, these wheels are only for the Z06 model, and I believe it's the only model year that actually came with alloy wheels. 18s in the rear, 17s in the front, 295, 35, 18, and 265, 40, 17 in the front. It's a little hard to open. Yeah. Here's the trunk. Got some goodies over here. You know, our 5 Corsa 5W30, just in case she burns some oil, which she does. The trunk is completely open. You can access it from the front seats, and obviously there's no rear seats either. On the Stingray model, actually most of these covers had, or most of these little holes had covers on them, but you know, race cars, so they deleted all that stuff. And it is not a hatchback, which the C5 Stingray is. You can't slam it, or else you're gonna destroy it.
And it is a 6-speed manual as well.
It is a 6-speed manual. Only comes in 6-speed manual.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, how easy is this car to daily drive?
If you love scraping, it's a 10. But realistically, I would probably give this car a 5.
5 for daily drivability?
Yeah, for the reasons as followed. Fuel economy. I do have a heavy foot, so it does affect it. But right now, I already filled up today, and we're already down to 1/8 of a tank. We haven't even done that much driving. Number 2, if you throw a bunch of miles on these, they're gonna lose their value. Number 3, it's Scrape City. Mine is lowered. It's on C6 shocks. It has some iBox suspension. Some or others fucking railroad parking. We scrape on everything, and it's not a nice noise to hear. So a 5 out of 10.
What are your 3 favorite features?
Number 1, what's under the hood. Number 2, what's in my hand. And number 3, the exhaust valve.
Why a Corvette?
Value. I only paid $18,000 for a decently low mileage example of full service records. And there is not a single car on the market that you can get the amount of horsepower, this amount of drivability, and just the handling of this car is just impeccable. Yes, it is a little to daily drive, I won't lie. I will probably end up buying a daily driver and having this as a weekend car. But man, $18,000, I'm sitting pretty, you know.
Future plans with the Corvette?
Ryan Tooley, stage 2 cam. I want an LSX intake, bigger injectors. I am What, do you give us a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Hey, you want to race for pink slip?
I'll pass.